Okay, let's go. Today I'll be showing you how we can be able to connect our Memefi to OKX wallet. Okay, to see to check our eligibility for the airdrop. Okay, we are asked to use OKX, so I'll be teaching you, guiding you how you can be able to connect your OKX wallet. Okay, the essence of it is for them to be able to take the snapshots and also for on-chain claiming. Okay, not to waste much of our time again, we'll just dive in. You see this place, the exchange, that is where Nigerians have been banned, where the transactions are needed to be taking place. But for now, Nigerians have been banned. So for the wallet, it's open to all countries, so we can be able to access it. Okay, so now this icon, this very place where you see scrolling moving, you will see check your Memfi drop eligibility. You click on it. Okay, then this page will pop up. Once it pop up, say Memfi checker, that is airdrop checker. Okay, then you connect your Telegram. Okay, see, say continue. Okay, so logging into your Telegram account with OKS wallet. Let's enter the phone number. Okay, I've entered. Then you now go to Telegram. Okay, you go and check. There has been a code sent to your Telegram account. There you go, Telegram. Okay, then you accept. Once you accept, you go back. Okay, then you accept. Okay, see a message will pop up. You are successfully logged in on OKX via OKX wallet boot. Okay, the website will receive your names, username, and profile picture. Then you click. See, once you are done, this is how it will look like. Okay, this is how it will look like. So it has been connected. This is how it will look like. 12 days, 22 hours, 53 minutes left. So you can as well go and check it out, do yours, and then get yourself connected. Make sure you do some on-chain transaction. Okay, so that you can be eligible for larger airdrop, and make sure you meet up with the minimum eligibility amount, which is 50 million of the token. Okay, just hope the tokens pays well. Okay,